Good morning to all the dear students. Myself, Assistant Professor Dr. V.R. Raut from PVG SS Dhamangar College, Nasik. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear students, in my previous lecture, we discussed about the survey and instrument used in plane table survey. So now in today, we discuss about the plane table radiation method. So in this plane table radiation method, these are the three main principles. The setting of the plane table. The setting of the plane table includes the following three operations. The first one is the centering the plane table. Second one is the leveling the plane table. And third one is the orientation of the plane table. So now here the first operation, centering the plane table. The table should be set up at a convenient height for working. The legs of tripod should be spread well apart and firmly fixed into the ground. The table should be approximately level by tripod legs and judging by the eye. Then the operation of a centering is carried out by means of U-frame and plumb bob. The plane table is exactly placed over the ground station by U-frame and plumb bob. Then second, leveling the plane table. The process of leveling is carried out with the help of level tube. The bubble of level tube is brought to center in two directions, which right angles to each other. This is achieved by moving legs of the tripod. Then third is the orientation of the table. The process of keeping the plane table always parallel to the position which is occupied at the first station is known as orientation. When the plane table is oriented, the lines on the board are parallel to the lines on the ground. So this is the orientation. Now here, the plane table radiation method. The plane table is set up over only one station from which the whole traverse can be commanded. It is suitable for survey of a small areas. Procedure of the plane table survey. First one is the select a point O so that all the points to be located are visible from it. Then second, set up the table at O level it and do centering. Third one is the select a point at O on the sheet so that it is exactly over the station O. Then fourth point, mark the direction of the magnetic meridian. Then fifth is the centering the LED on O. Bisect the objects of the traverse A, B, C and D, E and so on. Then measure the distance OA, OB, OC and OD and plotted to convenient scale. So scale to locate A, B, C and D respectively. 8. Join the points A, B, C and D on the paper. So these are the procedure of the plane table survey. Thank you. So in the next my video we discuss about the plane table merits and demerits. Okay, thank you.
Radiation method. Let us see the plane table surveying by radiation method. In radiation method, a ray is drawn from the instrument station towards the point. Consider the plane table surveying is carried out for points A, B, C, D. The instrument is set up at the P. Mark the station point on the paper by U-clamp or plumbing fork. Using trough compass, bearings are noted. Rod A is sighted. Keep the alidade touching P. Sight to A. Draw the ray along the edge of the alidade. Similarly, sight different points B, C, D, etc. and draw the corresponding rays. Measure PA, PB, PC, PD, etc. in the field and plot the distances to some scale along the corresponding rays. Thus, the station A, B, C and D is plotted to certain scale.